Hi, we're just average people cooking with Hexclad cookware for the first time. So I got this Hexclad for Jack for Christmas and I got it on the Black Friday sale. So I didn't tell him like how much it cost. Hey.
Oh.
Can be cleaned with steel wool just like your other one. Boomer Counter Surfer Pro. So throughout the day we've cooked different things. So far we found that it cooks quicker. It doesn't scratch on the bottom because I make popcorn and like shift it all around. So see, I shift it around. I also scraped back and forth when the popcorn was near the end of popping, and I don't see any scrapes. It's supposed to be stackable, so it's supposed to be durable. And we'll just go through like the unboxing, and then we'll go through the details and like the differences with the cooking, just from an amateur standpoint of view.
Oh.
What's that? Gosh, it's like my handbags, dust bags.
Am I supposed to do it?
It's the store stuff. Just like my
I guess after I clean that, I can
bags.
throw it. No. How much did that cost?
I'm not gonna tell you.
Take it back. Put your hair in.
We got a Black Friday deal. You want to give it to Boomer to chew up?
No, because then he starts to think everything up here becomes chewable material, and this is our problem. It's our problem.
Wow, look at that.
Perfect. Let's see, it replaces that. So it combines the cast iron and
Interesting.
$500.
I'm not gonna tell you. Traditional nonstick plus cast iron, but look. Can be cleaned with steel wool just like your other one. Huh. Interesting.
Just three frying pans, 500, right?
I'm not saying. We got a Black Friday deal.
That doesn't tell me anything.
We plead the fifth. They feel pretty. They're pretty hefty.
Yeah.
It has dust bags for them.
These are old. Well, we needed to repair them. So happy.
It's gorgeous. Gordon Ramsay. It even has this so you can hang your things.
Come on, Boomer. Come on, Boom. Boomer. Good boy.
This is gorgeous.
Nice, huh?
It's beautiful.
And I've got to season it. Oh, here it says how to do it.
Oh, how?
Well, wash in warm soapy water. Place on medium-low heat with cooking oil. Heat for 2 to 3 minutes. All done. You're ready to cook. Isn't that cool?
Look at that. Your pans will continually perform better and better over time.
Isn't that cool?
It's really cool.
It's like a cast iron. Okay.
It's beautiful. I can't wait to see what happens when you cook with these. Definitely cooks a lot quicker. It gives that smoky flavor. So I'm gonna try this. It definitely cooks a lot quicker.
Good. They said that you don't have to turn up as much heat because the pan gets hotter.
No wonder, because I burned the toast. It was definitely easier to pop, less time, less leftover kernels, less burnt. A lot better. Hey.
Thank you very much. How did it make it easier?
It has a texture to it. It has like a gold sheen to it if you look on the edges. Isn't that pretty? Interesting. Very interesting. The lids are nice. Handle is easy to hold. Thank you for being my assistant.
Look, dude, it was just steak night, one night. One night. That doesn't mean every night you guys get food. One night.